welcome to Junk Journal Gems. I have a flip through for you today of the Autumn Nature Journal. This is how the cover ended up, and oh gosh, I just love it. It just makes me so happy, and it so puts me in that autumn fall feeling. So that's the feeling that I tried to convey in the journal's construction. First of all, the closure here is a very soft lace, and the edges have been sewn so they don't fray. Let me get my ruler here for you, and I can tell you then the dimensions. This little honey is about 4 3/4 wide when closed, and then I believe it's 10.5 tall. So the outside cover is made with this canvas pinstripe here. It's really durable. I've got this crocheted trim here that reminds me of autumn leaves. So there's something about the texture of it that just reminds me of autumn leaves. This is a woodcut that I hand painted, and it's backed with a piece of autumn pattern cotton here. So the spine has rivets in it, or grommets or brads, whatever you want to call them. In the back is this canvas again. The cover I made soft, and it is on the inside of it, it has some felt to give it that soft, cozy, almost sweatery autumn feeling to it. And when you open it on the inside here, I need to press this yet. It's lined with a cotton fabric that I thought just went perfectly with the end paper here. And right off the bat here, we've got a really adorable, I think it's called a ruffed grouse, if I'm correct. And as we turn it, then we've got one of the pockets that we made with a tag inside it, held onto the page with a rusty paper clip. Here's from the digitals that were from Vintage by Me. We did this page, we did this whole page together. And again, here's the tag that is inside that. I copied ledger paper on the back of the images from the DigiKit. And here we've got another piece of the lace that was used for the tie, but he's holding on to our little woodland squirrel friend here. And inside this tuck, I have a old receipt from 1937. That is there. And then you've got coffee dyed grid paper that is just wonderfully crunchy, just like autumn leaves. And speaking of autumn leaves, look at this beautiful image. And this image is from an Ideals magazine with pumpkins on the back. It's more ledger. This image is gorgeous. I just love it. And this is a fussy cut from a nature book. And another fussy cut here. This is an Edith Holden book page. Here is a fox to go with our fox on the cover. And inside that is a tag. Another part of the DigiKit, the back of that Edith Holden. And here is a little tuck with a couple of old canceled checks. One is from 1952 and the other one is from 1939. I can get them back in left-handed. That's always a trick. Okay. And here on this side, we've got an embossed pocket here with another tag. With this tag, I made this pumpkin that is 3 different pieces of paper, And then the stem that matches the tab here. I love how these colors go together. This journal just makes me happy. And here we have, just making sure I'm in frame for you, we've got an image of an owl with an owl tag inside. And I just like to let him peek out of the pocket, just like that. Here is another tuck, and inside this tuck is a letter from 1933. I love this image. I put that in the middle just because I love it so much. And inside this tuck, we have a 1943 school tax and another piece of paper to journal on. This piece of paper is from a old Missouri Transportation Department blueprint. And here I ended up putting this pocket, this envelope pocket, on a brad, and then it has a little tag that goes inside of it. And down here in this sack that's been decorated with mushrooms, we have this tag that we made. He's resting his hand on the bug. Beautiful colors. I love the muted feel of these papers. And here are 4 coffee dye glassine bags that each have a little journaling tag inside. This one's got a little squirrel. This one's got a little bird. Some S&H stamps. I loved how the color of the S&H played off of that. Here we've got some, I don't know if those are hawks or falcons. Another Edith Holden. Another fussy cut image to bring that fall color in. There's a lot of journaling space in this journal. And this piece here just clips over the page. On either side is a leaf image, and inside is more journaling space. Held on with one of the Tim Holtz tiny paper clips. If I can get it back on. If I can get it back on. And there we have the end of the journal. So I hope that you enjoyed this flip through. I will have this journal listed in the Junk Journal Gems Etsy shop. And thank you for joining me. Click thumbs up, hit subscribe, and always have a great day.